welcome.
Wait. No. You have to be on the side, and I have to be on the side because this is the way my hair is parted.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm over here at my twin sister's house. Hi again. You may remember her from Central Market's cooking school demo.
Yes. Now we're gonna make coffee, and we're actually gonna do it, okay? You're gonna watch this time.
Get ready. How long have you been making craft coffees?
Since I was like 20.
Probably
We're not gonna say how old I am though.
Probably why you're so good at it. Like,
been making it for a long time, ever since I've been tired.
So it's been a while.
It's been a while.
Been a while.
How strong do you want it? You want it a little bit or a lot?
Maybe
Or in the middle?
Maybe just in the middle.
Okay, let's do in the middle-ish. All right, I'm gonna turn it on now. So this is actually a brewed tea and iced coffee. I got it from my mom, which got it from Winstar from my dad.
Your hands is in the shot.
Wow.
So beautiful. Okay. Is that all the coffee or can I have? One is a significantly lighter color. It doesn't look beautiful anymore. It's okay, it's gonna be fine. I didn't put enough syrup. I like how that has a two-tone color.
Do you want, what flavor do you want?
I think I want s'mores. Okay, so just to recap what we did so far, we brewed our favorite coffee, we added some caramel syrup to the mug, and now we're putting in our favorite, like, actual syrup. Now we are adding in some liquid stevia. Last is going to be whipped cream, sprinkles with a little bit more drizzle of the syrup. Happy Vlogtober! This is so good. You can't even see it really in the camera, but it's good. It is good. This is better than Starbucks. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned how to make a great drink. If you guys want to see my twin again, please be sure to put that in the comments below so that I can talk her into being in another video.
We'll see.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, I just want to throw out there why I like Bones coffee is because at night, it works so well that at night I cannot fall asleep. So don't drink this before
Midnight? Is it like a gremlin?
Don't drink it after 5 o'clock. Depending on what time you go to sleep.
ready?
What?
Wait, what do we say?
We're ready. You gotta look cool.
Keep rolling.
You gotta look
Keep rolling.
cool.
Okay.
All right, this video is sponsored by Bones.
No,
Bones.
absolutely not. What are their names?
Okay, so the new one, I didn't get the new one a name yet because I don't know if it's a boy or girl. And it's Batman and Peaches.